Are you over 50? Do you feel pain in your joints? Is your skin becoming dry? If your answer is yes, then do not worry about aging. Today we are going to delve into the benefits of castor oil and the outcomes of using it after 7 days. Castor oil is derived from the seeds of the castor plant. Historically, people have been using it as a natural remedy for various diseases. There are numerous fatty acids in this useful oil that cure many diseases. Nowadays, an increasing number of people use it for many purposes, ranging from skin protection to health growth. Let's discuss the benefits of using castor oil when you are 50 or older. Benefit number 1. Castor oil relieves joint pain. Castor oil has analgesic and anti-inflammatory ingredients. That's why people choose it to alleviate their pain. If a patient uses it properly, it reduces the pain and inflammation in a short time. Studies show huge improvements for patients who use castor oil for joint pain. Benefit number 2. Castor oil relieves back pain. Back pain is a common problem for millions of people. There are various causes of back pain, including aging, bad posture, trauma, or chronic illness. Fortunately, they can cure it by using a natural remedy, castor oil. If you are also one of those people who face back pain, you should use castor oil, which reduces inflammation of the muscles and tissues that surround the spine. Castor oil not only reduces the pain, but also helps ease tense muscles and increase blood flow. Benefit number 3. Castor oil is a natural remedy for constipation. The National Institute on Aging states that individuals vary in the frequency of their bowel movements. To have regular bowel movements simply indicates that the frequency of bowel movements is typical for that person. A person may be constipated if his bowel movements are irregular. About 1 in 3 older adults occasionally has constipation symptoms. These could consist of generating less than 3 weekly bowel movements, having difficulty passing stools, resulting in hard or lumpy stools, feeling as though your bowels are blocked or that you haven't emptied them completely. Castor oil functions as a laxative stimulator. According to the American Academy of Family Physicians, the bowel moves, squeezes, and contracts more forcefully when using stimulant laxatives. This indicates that the oil stimulates increased bowel movement in those who consume it, which results in the stool movement through the intestine and out of the rectum. You should ask your doctor about the quantity of castor oil and how long to use it, because overuse of castor oil may make stool muscles dysfunctional. Benefit number 4. Castor oil protects your skin. When you are 50, you may face several skin problems, including skin elasticity, uneven pigmentation, and rosacea. It may be necessary to use slightly more hydrating skincare products around menopause because the skin tends to get a little drier and more irritable during this time. When menopause begins, women experience a significant drop in estrogen levels. They lose 30% of skin lipids, 36% less skin reproduction, and 25% of the remaining collagen. The thick consistency of castor oil helps you to have smooth, supple, and glowing skin by reducing dryness, flakiness, and rough spots. The natural moisture of your skin depends on healthy cell membranes that need high levels of omega-6 and omega-9 fatty acids. You can provide your skin with these fatty acids by using castor oil. As you age, you may have fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging skin. The consistent use of castor oil can help protect your skin from these conditions because castor oil helps the synthesis of collagen and elastin, which is significantly important in making your complexion more youthful. Protein like collagen is an essential part of castor oil and plays a vital role in keeping our skin youthful, plump, and firm. When castor oil penetrates the skin, it not only promotes collagen, but also creates the synthesis of collagen and elastin that makes our complexion more youthful and reduces the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging skin. Antioxidants found in castor oil prevent damage caused by free radicals, which degrade collagen and make you older. You can maintain natural collagen by using castor oil regularly. People in their 50s face dermatitis, psoriasis, or eczema. They can get relief if they use castor oil. The anti-inflammatory nature of castor oil cures irritated, scratchy, and inflammatory skin. Castor oil reduces dryness and flakiness related to these conditions and helps you have a more balanced and comfortable complexion. As you age, your skin may experience dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and an uneven tone. Using castor oil to remove these conditions is highly recommended. Antioxidants in castor oil help you remove them. You can keep your skin bright and protect your youthful complexion using castor oil. If you are one of those people who have dark circles under the eyes, using castor oil can remove them. There are various reasons for these dark circles, including aging. As you age, your skin gets thinner and more sagging. It's possible that you will have less fat and collagen, which keep your skin supple. This darkens the area beneath your eyes, as the dark blood vessels under your skin become more noticeable. Tear troughs may appear more hollow as one ages. You might appear older or worn out as a result of this. Castor oil, with the help of its moisturizing qualities, plumps and hydrates the delicate skin surrounding the eyes, which may remove wrinkles and fine lines. You can maintain a youthful, refreshed appearance around your eyes by including castor oil in your regular eye care regimen. Benefit number 5. Castor oil helps your hair grow. Hair can begin to recede and thin around the age of 50. You might even notice that your hair is falling out or appears thinner and duller than usual. The time when the hair shaft is actively generated and extended is known as the anagen growing phase, and it gets shorter. But when you are in your 50s, the amount of natural oil in your body decreases, which affects your hair and makes it less silky, smoother and shiny. One of the most frequent causes of alopecia areata, or hair loss, is aging. Again, castor oil can help you reduce hair loss. Castor oil's fatty acids hydrate and nourish the hair shaft, reducing its vulnerability to breakage and damage. Research shows that castor oil may be able to stop hair from graying too soon. Premature graying may be prevented by shielding hair follicles from damage brought on by free radicals, with the aid of castor oil's antioxidants. Copper is another ingredient in castor oil, and it may help preserve hair's natural color. Benefit number 6. Castor oil increases the quality of sleep. Aging affects the quality of sleep. Studies prove that people in their 50s may experience a lack of good sleep. Aging decreases the quantity and quality of sleep because it causes changes in the internal clock of elderly people. This internal clock, called the suprachiasmatic nucleus, is composed of about 20,000 cells and is housed in the hypothalamus, a part of the brain. When the suprachiasmatic nucleus fails to function properly, circadian rhythms are upset, which has a direct impact on when people feel alert and tired. Fortunately, castor oil may be useful to make your sleep better because its elements improve the brain and nervous system. When you use it at the belly button, it is absorbed into the bloodstream. A more peaceful night's sleep may result from this. Benefit number 7. Castor oil helps heal wounds. From ancient civilizations to present societies, castor oil has been used to help wound healing. It not only creates a protective barrier with its moisturizing elements, but its antimicrobial ingredients keep wounds clean and help the skin heal. It increases the healing process, especially in minor cuts, scrapes, and abrasions. The reason for speedy healing is ricinoleic acid, which stimulates tissue growth and repair in a short time. Benefit number 8. Castor oil improves the immune system. Research shows that castor oil improves blood flow, thymus gland health, lymphatic drainage, and other immune system functions. A study says that its use causes highly increased levels of lymphocytes in patients. Doctors call lymphocytes disease fighters because they protect the immune system from bacteria, toxins, and other perceived threats. Castor oil improves the circulatory and digestive systems because it is capable of helping you detoxify. So it boosts your heart health and treats digestive problems like constipation. Pancreatic enzymes hydrolyze castor oil in the small intestine, which leads to the release of ricinoleic acid and glycerol, along with other beneficial metabolic compounds. While castor oil is generally considered safe for most people when used as directed by a product's manufacturer or a healthcare professional, certain individuals, including pregnant women and people with bowel obstruction or appendicitis, should avoid using it. Potential side effects of using castor oil as a laxative may include abdominal cramping, vomiting, bloating, and dizziness. Castor oil may also interact with certain medications, such as trofinetide, a treatment for Rett syndrome, and magnesium citrate, which is used to treat occasional constipation. Anyone considering using castor oil should first consult with a healthcare provider especially if they're using prescription medications. After discussing the most important benefits, let's talk about the changes you can expect after 7 days of using castor oil. Overall, personal experiences and some studies show that generally, people in their 50s get relief within 7 days. For example, a study was carried out in Manisa, a city in Turkey, to investigate the impact of administering castor oil packs on elderly constipation. 7 days prior to, 3 days during, and 4 days following COP administration, study participants were observed. Constipation symptoms were reduced with COP administration as measured by a decrease in the feces consistency score, straining during defecation, and a feeling of complete evacuation after a bowel movement. Some studies reported that castor oil heals the skin for 7 to 10 days. For example, if you use it for the treatment of corn, you will get the expected result after about 7 days of use. The studies also show that every individual's skin varies, so the results are also different. If your skin is sensitive, you should ask your doctor before using castor oil. If you have used castor oil, share your experiences in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to view our next video.